Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, Ayush, what you were telling me?
At around 8:30, I was trying to do it, so I didn't have edit access in Google Docs.
No problem. Then take the print, and then do. Because I have given you an idea that either you can edit it into Google Docs or either take the print out. Because many of you has done. Yes, Desai has done in an excellent way. Aryaman Sangai has done in an excellent way, and he has sent me the worksheet. I will show you that also, the children how they have sent me. Okay. So
My father made way out in, my father had made a way out in Word. I could do in Word and edit it in Word and can send you. So I'll do that.
okay. Now open page number 42. Page number 42, which we have already done about the yellow and the green triangle. Done or not? Yes or no? I am asking yes or no, students. Please answer
Yes,
me.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I will read this for you. Complete the shape. Suruchi drew two triangles of a shape. She asked, there was a grid given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the length. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows in the 5 columns. Can you see this grid? Yes or no? Please answer me yes or no. Then they were saying she asked Asif to complete the shape with two more sides. She has given a triangle to the Asif, incomplete triangle this way. And it is extending till the this way. And she told draw two more sides and so that its area is 10 square centimeter. Then he drew, this is the baseline. Then he drew it in the another way. This way he drew. This way he drew the another two sides and made the, now when you find the area of this figure, it will come 10 square centimeter, which we have already done yesterday. How we have done? First we have find out the area of this square, then we have find out the area of this square. From area of the first square we subtracted, we made it half so that we can find the area of this part. And then from this square we have subtracted. What will be the area of this part? Who will tell me? What will be the area of, this is first triangle, second triangle.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am. It will be 6. 6.
The area of the area of this square will be 4. 4 minus 2, 4 divided by 2 is
2.
2. So the area of this triangle will be 2 square centimeter. And the area of this triangle will be
2 square centimeter.
2 square centimeter. The total area of this square triangle will be
2 square centimeter.
I am asking total area of this triangle. 4 square centimeter. And then we have find out the area of this round triangle, the yellow one.
Ma'am, it will,
in the yellow.
The whole will be 12 and the inside triangle will be 6.
Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 multiplied by 3 is 12 square centimeter. And the half of 12, when you divide it by 2, you will get 6 square centimeter. And then this triangle area and this down triangle area, when you add, it will become 4 square centimeter plus 6 square centimeter is how much? 10 square centimeter.
10 square centimeter.
So he has done the right way. Is he correct?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So you can write yes.
Ma'am.
Explain how the green area is 4 square and the yellow area is 6 square centimeter. You can explain this. Then go to the next part. Oh, I thought of doing it differently. If you draw like this, the area is still 10 square centimeter. You can see on the page number 43. 43, the triangles are different. On page number 43, the triangles which are drawn, please turn on your camera, everyone. Anya Mittal, Vivan Balchandani, Nishika, Rudra Chachadia, Priya. Please turn on your camera and sit. On page number 43, the
Yes, ma'am.
triangles are drawn in a different way. Can you see that?
Yes, ma'am.
He has already only given this part, and then he has other two sides are drawn in a different way. I will again show you the different way also. But when you find the area of that also will be same. Why same? I will explain you that also. So when you draw this way, he has drawn in this way. Can you see that? This is the way on the
Yes,
next slide.
ma'am.
But the upper way is same. The
Yes,
this part
ma'am.
is same. So the area of this triangle will be the same, 4 squares.
Yeah, ma'am, and we know because of the downward triangle is taking from up four squares and like
Now,
this 12.
now wait a minute. This 4 square is same because there is no change. Only they have changed the triangle which is down. Can you all see on the page number 43? Yes or no? Show me thumbs up.
Yes.
Yes, only the down
Yes,
triangle is look wise different. But now we will see the area of this also will come same. How? 1, 2, 3, 4. We need to find out the area of the entire rectangle first. 1, 2, 3, 4 in the rows. Yes or no? 1, 2, 3, 4 in the columns and 1, 2, 3 in the rows. 4 into 3 is 12 square centimeter, and the half of the 12 is
6.
half of the 12 is 6 square centimeter. So got it? 6 square centimeter again coming. But you are worried, ma'am, how this is happening? The shape has changed. Again, the area is coming same. I will tell you one trick here. Listen it very carefully. When the base and the height, when the base, this is the baseline of this triangle. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
This is the baseline of the down triangle. When the base and the height is same, you will always get the same area. चाहे फिर वो इतना ही एक्सटेंड करके क्यों ना ट्रायंगल बना दे, चाहे वो इतना बड़ा ही क्यों ना ट्रायंगल बना दे, then also the area will be same because the height and the base is same. Height is of 3 squares and the base is also of the 1, 2, 3, 4. When the height and the base is same, then you will get the same area. I'll show you the picture also. When you draw it in the different ways also, you will get the same area. That is the reason. Now at the down, they have given this is one of the side of a shape. Complete this so that its area is 4 square centimeter is given. Can you see this? Is the screen visible to you all? Yes, or no?
Yes.
Yes. You can see the base is the red one which is same and the height is this black one which is same for the down triangle. If you draw a green triangle, if you draw a blue triangle, yellow, red or this black triangle, the area of the entire figure will come same. Got it? कैसे भी आप ड्रॉ करो पर ध्यान रखना बेस सेम है 4 squares and the height is same which is 3 squares. The base and height is same, you will get the same area. Go to the next one. This one of the side of a shape, complete the shape so that its area is 4 square centimeter. Now they have given one triangle, isko complete karna hai. So when you complete this and make the squares, so area of one triangle is 2 because how? Half of the square and the area of again the triangle will be 2, half of the square, 2 plus 2 is 4 squares. So this way you can find out the area of this figure. Now come to the next. 2 sides of a shapes are drawn here. 2 sides are drawn here. By drawing 2 more sides so that its area is less than 2 square centimeters. So if you draw it like this, I'll show you. If you draw it like this, wait a minute. It will be a half when you bring it more halves. For example, see here. Yeah, see, if you draw it like this, like the green one, then it will be 2 square centimeter because half plus 1 and half 1. Yes or no? Give me answer, yes or no.
Yes,
Yes.
yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, it will be
Yes.
by means of diamond. Like
Yes, but you need to make it
like
little
it
small.
will be 2 square centimeter.
Yeah,
2 by
but
2,
it is
4
given you
and
need
a
to.
half.
But what it is given, you need to draw less than 2 squares. So what you will do? इसको थोड़ा सा ऊपर. This red one will be the correct one. You will not draw according to the green one, because if you draw according to green one, then it will be area will be 2 square centimeters. But you need to draw
Okay, ma'am.
according to the red one. Then it will be less than 2 squares. Got it? Go to the next page. Children, when I ask the answers and the questions from you, please give me answer properly. And please be attentive in the class, not on the sleeping mode. Here is a rectangle of area 20 square centimeter given to you. Draw one straight line in the rectangle to divide it into two equal triangles. What is the area of each triangle? Now, when you draw, what will be the area of each? First of all, tell me the area of a rectangle. What will be the area of a rectangle? Who will tell me? Give me your name. Tell me.
Ma'am, can I say
20 square centimeters.
Samriddhi will say. Samriddhi, yes.
10 square centimeter?
Samriddhi, I am asking what will be the area of a rectangle.
Yeah, ma'am, I'm saying.
Look into your book. Look into your book. Look into your book.
Ma'am, actually, I forgot my book in my nanny's house.
Then I will tell you to log out. Because without book, how you will understand? Tuisha, you tell me what will be the area of this rectangle. Tuisha, area of rectangle given on page number 44. I will move to next child because they are not answering me. Khusha, Huja, area of the rectangle given on page number 44.
120 square centimeter.
Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 squares are in the row and the 10 in the column and 2 in the row. So
Yes,
wait a minute. I'll present it's 20 square centimeter. So now next child will tell me Jahan Agarwal. Mute your mic everyone. Jahan Agarwal.
Yes, ma'am.
What will be the area of each triangle now? There are two
Triangle.
triangles.
10 square centimeter.
Yes, each triangle area will be 10 square centimeters. Half of 20. Now, they are saying draw one straight line in this rectangle to divide it into two equal rectangles. अब एक straight line draw करी दो rectangle बनाने के लिए. What is the area of each of the smaller triangle?
10 square centimeter.
10 square centimeter. Good. Draw two straight lines in this rectangle. Again, those two straight lines in the rectangle. Right? So, and two equal triangles you will make. So, what will be the area? What is the area of each of the triangles? If you make the each of the triangle here,
5 square centimeter.
5 square
very, very good. Now go to the next. This is the puzzle. This is the pentomino. This is the shape when we make with the 5 small squares. We can make different
Ma'am,
shapes.
yes, you send the worksheet. It is
Yes,
a puzzle.
yes, it's a puzzle. It is called pentamino, and this is made with the 5 small squares, and you can arrange them into the different shapes. You can arrange by using these 5 squares. You can make 12 different shapes and many more rectangles you can make. I'll show you how you can arrange them into 12 different
Ma'am,
ways.
can I
Yes.
ask something?
Yes, please. Please ask. Please ask. Your voice is not coming. Your mic is mute. This puzzle is called pentomino.
Ma'am, I didn't understood that pentomino.
I'm explaining that only. So please pay attention here now. This is called which puzzle? Can you tell me the name of the puzzle?
Pentamino.
Pentamino. Why it is pentamino? Because it is made with 5. Penta means 5, we do know. Yes or no?
5.
Yes, that is why the name of this puzzle is pentamino. It is made, this puzzle is with the 5 squares. You can arrange the 5 squares. Can you all see my board? I will show you on the wait a minute. I'll stop my presentation.
Yes, ma'am.
Then I will show you. Suppose I have 5 squares with me. I have 5 squares with me. I can arrange them into the 5 different ways. And I can, I will arrange them into the different shapes. Can you all see how many squares I have used? How many squares?
5.
Squares I have used? 5 small squares I have used, and I have arranged them in this way to make a different shape. You can make them, arrange these pentamino into 12 different shapes. आप इससे 12 different shapes बना सकते हैं. Can you all see this one?
Yes, ma'am. My name.
Yes or no?
It is
Yes or no?
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
can you see this one? I'm arranging them into the different ways. Yes or no? Answer me. Can you all see this one? Only I have used only 5 small squares, and with 5 squares, I am arranging them into the different ways. Now you can see this one. Children, when you play video game, no, this type of video game, earlier you were playing and making the squares.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. I have. Yes, ma'am.
So can you see now I am arranging them into the different way? That is why the name of the game is pentamino, because we are using 5 small squares. And by using 5 small squares, you can make 12 different shapes. From 12 different shapes, you can make 2000 and more than 2000 rectangles. Right? How rectangles?
Means we have to make one shape, then 2 shape, like that many shapes, and then arrange it in rectangle.
You make first 12 different shapes out of this. More than 12, you will not able to get it. Maximum 12 shapes you will get. Take all the 12 shapes, which is already given above the worksheet. All the 12 different shapes. And by using all the 12 different shapes, you can make a rectangle. For example, if I am taking another one, another 12 squares, 5 squares with the other shape. So this much part is filled. So now I will keep on taking the another 5 squares with the different way arrangement, and then I will keep on increasing. I'll show you the worksheet sent by Yash Desai and Aryaman Sangai. Wait a minute. They have sent me very nice worksheet completed by them with the rectangles.
Oh, ma'am.
They have made the rectangles. Can you all see my presentation?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
I will present. Wait a minute.
No, ma'am.
I am presenting.
No, ma'am.
I am presenting. Wait. Now can you all see?
Come.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, wait a minute. Very nice worksheet. Can you all see this? Yash Desai has arranged all the shapes and make the rectangle. Here he is
But how
showing.
we have to put the shapes?
आपको लगाते जाने हैं, देखना है कहाँ मिसिंग है, उसको अरेंज करना है, right?
But I cannot.
I have sent the video also. I have sent the video also. That is the puzzle that you try with the trial and error method. Got it? एक बार आप try करो, दूसरी बार try करो, कभी तो rectangle बनेगा. And you can see more than 2000 rectangles you can make it easily. And here is the white color because in the worksheet also it is white portion. So he also shown in the white portion. But it is a rectangle exactly. This is also the rectangle made by Yash Desai. Another way, this is he arranged it into the different ways here. This white portion is also the pentamino, which is in the straight line 5, but he showed in the white because it was in the white color. But I already instructed him to color it. Yes. Now I'll show you this one. Can you see? This is made by Aryaman Sangai. This is made by Aryaman Sangai. Can you all see the arrangement of this? Arrangement of the 12 shapes?
Yes.
Very nicely he had arranged and he had made the rectangle. And he instructed me, ma'am, at the place of white I have colored. He had colored the green color. So can you all see the different pattern he has taken, and he has different shapes and he arranged them into the rectangle. Got it? How you need to do it? Pentomino is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Now,
Yes, ma'am.
now go to the next one. Now I will tell you something about new topic, which is about, mute yourself please. Now next is tiling. Come on the page number 48. Make your own tiling. So who will tell me what do you mean by the word tiling means? What do you mean by the word tiling?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes. Yes, Nishika.
Ma'am,
Tiling means on the floor we put tiles
Yes.
and we make it smooth to walk on.
So how it is smooth and how is the arrangement, if you have observed, what is the arrangement of, if you have learned tiling in the grade 4, if you have remember, we have learned tiling in the grade 4. So how is the arrangement of tiling on the floor? How is the arrangement of tiling on the floor?
They put squares.
Okay. They put squares. Why they put squares only? Why not circles? Why not circle? Tell me. Who will tell me why not circle is not possible? Why only the squares are possible to arrange them in the tiling?
Ma'am, because if we put two circles together and between there will be little space. That should not be there. That's why they use square.
Yes. When we arrange, tiling is the arrangement of tiles in such a way so that there should be no gap in between. अगर gap होगा तो क्या आप उस पे चल पाओगे?
We will fall down by mistake.
अगर ये this type of gap होगा, suppose this is the arranged circle pattern. Can you see? Then arrangement हो रहा है तो यहाँ पे बीच में gap आ रहा है. That is not the tiling. Tiling means arrangement of the tiles in such a way that there should be no gap in between.
And at my home, there are rectangle also.
Yes. Rectangle, triangle, the regular shapes. Regular shapes will be
triangle will also make
triangle also. Yes, triangle also. No, triangle will not make space. Triangle also will. See, I am showing you the triangle pattern.
Ma'am, I do not have any.
Ma'am, one in the forward and one in the backward.
Yes, one in the forward and one in the backward when you put.
Yeah.
So can you see they are making the pattern
Yes, ma'am.
with the triangles?
Ma'am, it will become pentagon.
Yes, it will become pentagon or the, just check, hexagon or the pentagon?
Hexagon.
Yes. Can you see this? This is the pattern created with the triangles, and this is the tiles pattern you can make in with the no gaps. Yes or no? So triangle, rectangle, squares.
We can use hexagon also.
Yes, we can do with the hexagon
Pentagon.
also. We can do with the regular pentagon also.
Octagon also.
Basically, if we have
Ma'am, if we have sided shapes, we will be there will be no gap between the tiles, right?
No, it is not like that. If you have the sided shape,
Ma'am, whichever shape have vertex, that only can make tiles.
it is not necessary, but always remember that, see, they are coming. Can you see? I'm making the pattern with the hexagon also. Or you can make in this way. You can make it this way.
Yes,
Always
ma'am.
remember, when they are meeting at the center point, they make the 360-degree angle. 360-degree angle. They are making here 360-degree angle. Complete angle is
Yes,
coming
ma'am.
here. There is no gap in between. Yes or no?
No, ma'am.
There is no gap in between. They are making
No.
360-degree angle. Can you see the pattern created by here with the hexagons?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So tiling is
Yes, full circle.
So tiling is basically creating a pattern with the different shapes with no gaps. Okay. Yes or no, students?
Renu, ma'am, can I say something?
Yes, please. Yes, decide. Can you please send?
Ma'am, pattern in football is like hexagon only.
Pattern is?
In football, that hexagon come, I was talking about that.
Yes, yes. So this way you can create the patterns. But remember which shapes comes in the patterns? The patterns with the shapes which make a 360-degree angle at the center only will come at the patterns in the tiling. Only that shape only will come as the patterns. Clear? There, always remember, in tiling there should be no gap in between. Then only it is the tiling. You can see the tiling on the walls, doors, on the floor, outside in some buildings. Yes or no? You can see some different tiling patterns. Now open the page number 49, 48 and 49. Take a piece of cardboard or a thick paper. See, either if you have a cardboard, today there is no homework. First, you need to complete the Pentomino worksheet, and then you will complete the page number 41 task, which is given on the page number 41. So I'm not going to send any worksheet today. Your task is 49 page number. So you need to open the page number 48, everyone. Take a piece of cardboard or a thick paper. Either you take a cardboard or take a thick paper. Draw a square sheet. Okay? Draw a square sheet, 3 centimeter on it. Draw a 3 centimeter on any one of the other side of the square. Then draw another triangle of the same size. It is given on the page number how to create one different tile. ऐसा कैसे tile आपको बनाना है. And from this tile, you need to create a different pattern. It is given on your page number 49. They have created
different type of shape which make different type of tiles.
Yes, yes. But you remember that would tile आपका fix up हो जाए. Got it? And now I will tell you how the arrangement of the tile is given on the page number 49.
Ma'am, we can arrange any type or it should be completely like square shape.
It will be, you can in any, first you try anyway. If you are cutting the same from inside, so remember that you should be, outside also should be same. 3 centimeter, then this also should be 3 centimeter. You can make any different, it is given on the page number 49 also. On the page number 49 also, when you see the different tiles have been made. So can anyone guess the first tile will be coming in the tiling or not? Why not? No, Dhairya, can you please answer me why A tiling is not coming in the tiling shape? Turn on your mic. Mic is off.
Ma'am, after it, when it ends, it has a curved part. And if we join another curved part, it will have more space.
Yes. And can you tell me the B1 is coming? Is
No,
B1, who will tell me B1 is coming in the tiling? Samriddhi, if you sitting without books now, how you are feeling now without books?
Ma'am, today we will brought from
So children, tell me now why B is not coming.
Ma'am, because B also have space. If we
Just
make another type of B, its upper one is also curved. And if we put another one, it will have more space. But if we remove that between one now, then it can be used.
Yes. So now, wait a minute. I want to show you one PPT also. How is the arrangement of the tiles? Can you all see my screen?
Yes.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
in the presentation also there is a pattern.
Yes, in the presentation also there is a pattern. Can you all see how many squares? This is a chapter name, and these are the tiles, how they are arranged. So when you see there the center part, they are making a 360-degree angle. That is why it is possible to arrange them with the joints. Here they are making 360-degree angles so that it is possible to arrange them. Next tiles. Can you all see? This is the exact first tile is this one. So when you keep on arranging them, you will feel that there is no gap coming. Then this shape is the tiling shape. Next is whether this is the tiling.
Oh ma'am, this is a wrong tiling.
This is no, because they are leaving gap in between. When you go to the next one, yes, thank you. These are the three different shapes which I want to tell you that they are leaving no gaps.
Then we can take the present.
Yes.
We can take the presentation which it starts now. There also there is a pattern, so we can take that pattern also.
Yes, you can arrange in any pattern, but always remember that shape only come in the tiling pattern which will not leave any space in between. And how you will find that there is no space and which shape? The regular shapes which having all the angles and all the sides same. Can you see this hexagon is a regular hexagon? All the lengths of all the sides and all the angles are of different measurements. We have learned about the regular shapes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, if we take like this triangle, we can make like this shape also.
Yes, you can arrange. If you try to arrange them, see, when you arrange this diamond also, you can arrange it in this way. Keep on, because you cannot arrange in this way. If you arrange this way,
it will take space.
yes, it will leave
Means
space.
I need to put like this. It is right now straight. I have to put one slant. Means
That will be
Up
okay.
and down.
How you are arranging, that will be okay. But you need to see whether it is leaving the gap or not when you are arranging them. Yes, sir? No. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
So I will send you the page number 41 home task. You need to try different. You make your own tile, cut it on the hard copy, this paper or on the cardboard. Make your own tile, arrange them and see whether it is coming, arranging into the proper tiling pattern or not.
Is 49 or 41?
49. Last page of this textbook. Okay. And tomorrow we do little more about this pattern and how to find the area of this pattern tomorrow in our class. And I request everyone to be with your notebook as well as the textbook. Tomorrow we'll do this and we will do the revision based on this topic. And then on Monday, I will take the CT of this chapter. Clear? Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye.